First, understand one thing. Android can't use a video file as a ringtone directly. You need to convert the video into audio, MP3, first. Step 1. Convert the video to MP3. Open Google Play Store and search Video to MP3 Converter. Install any trusted app with good reviews. Now open the app, tap Select Video, and choose the video you want. Next, choose MP3 as the format. If you want only a specific part of the video, use Trim and select the ringtone part, like 15 to 30 seconds. Then tap Convert or Start. Once it finishes, now Step 2. Set it as your ringtone. Now go to Settings on your phone, tap Sound and Vibration or just Sound, then tap Ringtone. Choose My Sounds or Local Ringtones, then tap Add or the plus icon. Select the MP3 file you just created and tap Done. That's it. Your video audio is now set as your Android ringtone. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more quick Android tips. Thanks for watching.